Are tight muscles, nagging aches, or limited mobility slowing you down? Hi, I'm Dr. Colby King with Freeform Chiropractic, and today I'm excited to share how our soft tissue services can help you break free from pain and move with ease. So what are the soft tissue services? Soft tissue services focus on treating the muscles, tendons, and ligaments, the fascia, the connective tissues that support the spine and joints. By addressing the dysfunction and restrictions in these areas, we help your body function better and feel great. So how do they work at Freeform? We use advanced techniques like Myofascial Release and instrument-assisted RRT soft tissue mobilization. These methods target the tight or scarred tissues. They break up adhesions, increase blood flow to promote the healing and flexibility that your body needs. What problems do they treat? Our soft tissue services are highly effective for conditions like muscle tightness or spasms, the chronic pain from repetitive strain, like from the desk work or sports, injuries like the strains, sprains, tendonitis, or the reduced range of motion. If muscle pain or stiffness is limiting your life, don't just push through it. Visit Freeform Chiropractic for a consultation and let's build your game plan to restore your mobility and live a pain-free life.